Hi! So I'm kind of a fucking idiot. Busch Gardens has been doing a promotion to get Passholder Previews for Phoenix Rising, which opens someday, I'm sure. It's finished construction and it certainly is sitting there. But there isn't much testing going on yet, and it feels like it's getting into the summer, so hopefully it opens at some point. They've been doing this event where if you go to Busch Gardens 5 times and get a little ticket every time you go in between, I think, February and May, then you get into the event. And me, being the genius that I am, have gone here probably 15 times in that span, and...
What are you doing with your life?
Haven't gotten a single ticket yet. Well, until yesterday. Yesterday I got my first ticket. Today is Saturday, May 11th, I think. I need to go 4 times in the next week, and I work full time. So I'm here to grab a ticket and fucking leave. Hello, my love. Your line will probably be too long for me to get a ride on you today, but you're not why I'm here. I'm here to be a fucking moron. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Longest line in the park, probably. I just waited for 40 minutes for this. I am one of the smarter individuals in the roller coaster community, as you can tell. So I waited 40 minutes for 1/5 of the required materials in order to go ride a ride early one time. So I got the goods. Got 2 of them now. Still need to show up 3 times the next week. You'll see a couple more updates of me showing up here, getting tickets and leaving. Hopefully not with 40-minute waits for guest relations, but if that's what it takes, then that's what I gotta do.
1 day later.
Day 3 of whatever this is. I only documented the first 2. Day 2 and 3. I think I have brain damage. You only saw day 2, but it's the 3rd day in a row that I'm here. And the 3rd day in a row that I'm going to be showing up, getting a ticket, and leaving, because it's Mother's Day. And the only reason I'm even able to get the time to come out here is because my mom just came in on a red eye and she's asleep right now. Park opens in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go in, grab a ticket, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm clearly wasting just a lot of gas doing this. The environment is much worse off because of me doing this. Yeah. I swear to Christ, if there is a line at guest services again, it will be my 13th reason. You've got to be fucking kidding me. Like, what are people even in line for? Like, the park isn't even open yet. Well, I guess I can check rope dropping guest services off of my bucket list. It was pretty high up there, right next to marathoning Air Grover and going to every theme park in India. Got 3 of them now.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
You know what? I agree with the titties part.
3 days later.
Day 4. It's Wednesday now, and I'm here to get my 4th ticket.
I got 2.
I only have 1 more chance, which is Friday, and the deadline is Saturday, but I am flying to Valley Fair on Saturday morning.
I'm a coaster enthusiast, and I'm coming.
So I don't have time to go on Saturday. So it's today and Friday, and then I'll have all my tickets, and hopefully I'll be able to go. It's pretty rainy out, so I don't know if I'll be able to ride anything, but I have a GoPro. Little wrist strappy guy, he's got the straps there, so, maybe I can put some shitty POVs on and pretend to be a person who knows how to do anything vlog related. So we'll see how it goes. All right, this is the first time I've tried using the wrist strap on this thing. It might look like might sound like well, I'm talking, so it definitely sounds like No line for guest services. It's like a dream come true. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ticket number 4 acquired. Now it's time to ride some Ironwazi literally never gets old, man. Now I'm gonna go ride Air Grover. I love this part of the park. Literally no one comes over here ever, especially on a dead day like this. Are you even moderately frightened of me? I guess not. How's it going? I love this place. Unfortunately, I had to go and skip Air Grover. I mean, it had a 2-hour line. It's the most popular ride in the park, and you know, it deserves it. It's the best ride here, so. I'm just gonna go to some lesser rides like Sheikra and Tigress and Kumba and Falcon's Fury and stuff. You know, Sheikra's cool and all, but I'm going on the Flume. Oh my god! I got soaked. The top of the lift, like the top of the lift had like a jet coming out of it, and it just soaked the left side of my leg. That's where my wallet, my keys, and my fucking AirPods are. Oh god, why are they in my? I don't know why they're in my pocket. I love the Flume. I've never gotten that wet on it though. If you sit by yourself in the front, you don't really get too wet, but the lift hill, I don't know what happened, but some water just came flying over. Falcon's Fury did the thing that Falcon's Fury does and broke down, so I'm gonna go to cheetah hunt now, but not before I walk through this cloud of weed smoke. What's up, dude? You alright? What's your credit count? You would tear me to shreds if you could go through here, wouldn't you? You would kill the shit out of me. Some kid in line just told me I had a W GoPro. I think I'm sick with the kids. Oh yeah. I have no idea what you said. Just rode cheetah hunt with the guy who calls himself the Anime Kid. Shout out to Anime Kid if you're watching this video somehow. Is definitely still the goat invert. It's not really close. It's my baby. Now I'll try to get last ride of the day on Ironwazi, and then we're heading home.
Did I get it? 2 days later.
Day 5. I forgot my sunglasses today, so a little bit of an eye jump scare for everyone.
Oh no, he's
disgusting.
And yeah, I'm in a different car. Why? None of your fucking business. Anyway, it's actually Thursday rather than Friday. I decided that it would be funnier if I went all 5 times in the same span of 7 days. So I just did it 1 day earlier. So instead of
2 days later.
it's actually
1 day later.
than the last one. Whatever. Who gives a shit anyway? I'm gonna go in, grab my ticket and leave, and that's gonna be that. I've been released from my eternal prison. I never have to wait in this line again. Hallelujah, hallelujah. There's all 5. We won. Winning.
Winning. I win here and I win there.
In it to win it.
Winning.
Winning, winning, winning,
Winning.
winning, winning, winning.
Winning.
I talked to the guys at Guest Services. They said that it'll be around June 16th at the earliest when they start doing the Passholder Previews, which would mean that I lost because I'm going to be in Germany until June 23rd, from June 10th to June 23rd. So I may have just done this for nothing. Which I think would probably be the funniest outcome, realistically. So I almost hope that happens. If that does happen, then I'll have an update or something, wallowing in my sadness or making fun of how stupid this whole ordeal was. But regardless of what happens, I'll have something to make of it, and I'm still gonna show up and ride Phoenix Rising whenever I can. This has been the stupidest saga I could possibly have put together for a first video on a YouTube channel, so I hope you enjoyed it or something. Bye.